name is Pachepan. I'm here on the behalf of Mighty Brain Abacus Riddles Chennai. We are very glad to be here. This is the second year we are participating in this national level competition for Abacus. We have enjoyed. This is the second year I meant. First year our students about 30 numbers we have participated. Now this year we have moved to 100 number of students. Every students have come here and they got a good exposure. We are expecting better more for the upcoming years. It is very useful for the new generation and they can learn more things from the national level groups.